Hi YouTube friends, my name's Kim. My YouTube channel is called Stash Stitcher. It's been running for a while, but I haven't uploaded any videos to it for ages because I didn't think I was very good at videoing. I still don't think I'm very good at videoing, but I just need to get on with it because I have content I want to share with you. So this is my first video in a very long time, so bear with me. Subscribe, like my video, it'd be really helpful. But I'm just going to start off doing some short videos to start with, and as my confidence builds, they will start to be longer, and I will start to get more, hopefully get more involved with content. And it'd be good to get feedback from you to find out what you want and what you're looking for, and I will attempt to answer all your questions. So I thought I would start off with showing you my jacket. Now this jacket is made in green corduroy, which I got from Sherwood's Fabrics. I bought this in their Christmas sale last year. They do a 50% Christmas sale. It's absolutely excellent, and I bought this fabric ages ago, and it's been in my stash for a while, and I pulled it out the other day and thought, right, I know what I'm going to make with this. I'm going to make the Atenas jacket from Itch to Stitch, and hopefully I pronounced that right. So I'm just going to stand up so I can show you. Right, so this is my Atenas, and I won't do it up because the buttons are a bit stiff still, so, but it's a nice fit. I've done a C-cup adjustment so it fits nicely over the bust. It's got working pockets, and it's also got these lovely welt pockets, and I have made these slightly bigger because this is my second attempt at making this jacket, and the first attempt I made in black denim. I love it, but the pockets were a bit small for my hands because I've got quite big hands, so it's a really nice fit and I can pull my hands out without any issue. Okay. And my lovely buttons, which I got from the trimming shop, because I've got a green machine press, so I bought a special die set to apply those because I can see myself making this jacket quite a bit. So as you can see, it's a lovely green corduroy. It has orange top stitching, which I'm really pleased. It does take a while to keep changing from normal thread to the top stitching thread, but it's just so worth it. It just makes such a nice jacket, so I'm really pleased with this. It's quite it's bigger than what I'd normally make, but I think I made it intentionally for going into autumn winter, so I can wear, you know, big jumpers under it and it will still fit and also do up, so I'm really pleased with that. And lastly, I made with the remnants of the fabric, I made a little hat to go with it, which is lined. I also had some little labels made. I don't know if you can see that. And I love the lining, and yeah, so I love a hat when I'm out, and I'm going to the seaside in October, and I'm sure it's going to be absolutely freezing, and this is quite nice just to keep my head warm. The nice thing about this hat is it comes from, the pattern comes from a company called Mad Cap Hats, and the nice thing about this hat is in the lining it's got a bit of elastic in the back, so it does sort of fit quite nicely around your head. Okay, so I think though this video is quite short, I thought I'd keep it short until I get into my swing of things. If you have any questions, let me know. I will hopefully respond to all of them. I will keep an eye on my account, and I will see you next time round. Take care. Bye.